Guys, look! Jake lost a tooth!
I just took one bite, and it came out.
You didn't even tell me you had a loose tooth.
I forgot.
What are you gonna do with the money?
I don't know. She always comes, right?
Last I checked.
Mom, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Is the tooth fairy, like, for real?
Well, what do you think?
I don't know. Raleigh said his dad told him that there's no such thing as a tooth fairy, and it's just parents.
You think that I'm the tooth fairy?
I don't know. Are you?
Look, honey, I've never really been that interested in teeth. Pop-Up always wanted me to be a dentist just like him, but it wasn't for me. Looking at gross bits of people's lunch all day? Ugh. Do you want a bedtime story? Okay. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Love you.
What's going on?
You're supposed to be asleep, little boy. Tell me, did you lose a tooth today?
Yes, I did.
Well, usually I spend my time reaching beneath pillows. But since you're awake, you can just help me out. The tooth. Perfect. Take it out of the bag. First right molar. 8 years old.
How did you know?
You can learn an awful lot about a boy from his teeth. What do they call you, little boy?
Jake.
Lovely. I suppose you know who I am. Nice to meet you. Oh, golly gosh. Look at the time. I've got to go, go, go. But first, your reparation. I suppose you know where to put that. Quickly now. Lie down.
What is that?
Just a little something I borrowed from a friend. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Jake, can you hear me? Wake up! Oh, finally. Are you forgetting something? Come on, honey. We're gonna be late.
Jake. Ryan, can you wake up Jake, please?
Jake, we're at school. What? Taking a test.
Jake, you fell asleep. Hey, the rest of you have a test to finish.
But it wasn't my fault.
Jake, we'll talk about this after class.
But the two thing put this kind of sand and put a little bubble
Jake,
in
the
my
rest of the
eyes.
class is trying to finish their test.
You gotta listen to me.
Ryan, get back in your chair, now. Everybody be quiet. Jake, this is my last warning. Finish your test or you're going to the principal's office. Understood?
Yes, Mr. Peters.
So how's school?
It's good.
That's good. What's your name? Hello?
Mrs. Scott, it's Mr. Peters.
Hi, Mr. Peters. Is everything okay?
Well, there was a bit of an incident with Jake during class today.
What happened? Hey, how was school today?
It was good.
How'd that math test go?
It was good.
Why are you staring at the ground?
I'm not.
You're lying to me, Jake.
I'm not lying.
Mr. Peters called.
What did he say?
He said that you were acting up in school today. And that you...
I was just trying to tell him that it wasn't my fault. But he wouldn't listen.
Then whose fault was it, Jake?
You're not going to believe me, just like everyone at school.
I believe you, honey. But you're too old to be acting like this.
You didn't even ask me what happened. You just believe all the things that Mr. Peters says. You never listen to me.
Excuse me? You listen to me. This was your one free pass. I don't ever want to get a phone call like I got today. Do you understand me?
See, you don't believe me.
What's happening?
Hey, break it up, boys. Come on. You're coming too. Come on.
I mean, my parents are an hour away. I guess I could take him to work with me, but what's he gonna do there all day? Isn't there a way that we can just...
I understand that this is a difficult position to put you in, but Jake needs to understand he did something wrong today.
Yes, and I won't deny that.
Thank you. But your son needs to understand the consequences of what he did.
Right.
Notice that I only gave him a few days because this is out of character for him. He'll be back to school on Monday, all right?
What is going on? Answer me. I know I'm not the perfect mom. Not just because I'm doing it on my own, but because I'm not perfect. But I think I'm doing a better job than this. I just think I raised you better. I know I raised you better.
Look at me. I said, look at me. Don't you like where we live? I had to cancel clients today because of you. Don't you like having food to eat? Do you, Jake? You keep acting like this, we'll have nothing. Don't you understand? I don't ever want to hear about the Tooth Fairy. Ever again.
What happened?
Mistakes have consequences.
What did you do?
What have we here?
Well, I guess I made a mistake today.
Go on.
I fell asleep during a test today, and my teacher got really mad at me. And I told him, you gave me your sand, and I couldn't stay awake, so I got in really big trouble.
And the bruise?
The other kids were drawing pictures of us, and...
I'm flattered.
You are?
Little boys usually aren't so brave. It must have been some fight.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get into another one.
Why not?
Well, my mom said if I keep acting out, we're not gonna have any money left.
Where I come from, that's nothing to be ashamed of.
Really?
Come to think of it, I wouldn't think your mother should have anything to worry about at all when you're bringing in so much money yourself.
Me?
If you keep losing these, your mother will have nothing to worry about. And since I know I can count on you, perhaps I could add a little bit to your reparation.
You do that?
Do you know what else?
What?
If you keep losing teeth, then I get to keep on coming to visit you. Unless you wouldn't want that.
Yes, I would.
Oops. Look at the time. It looks like we're running out of it.
Wait.
I'll give you a lower dose this time.
Okay.
Have I ever wronged you?
Well, no.
Then lie down. Close your eyes. I'm so proud of you, Jake.
Maura, don't worry about it. Your clients are all taken care of.
Yeah, thanks again, Gretch. I owe you.
We're all present for you. We love Jake. I know it's gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay.
I'll cover for you on your birthday or Tom's birthday or something.
If you need anything, call me. We're always here for you. But listen, I guess.
Yeah, just give me a sec, Gretch. Jake?
Hi.
Don't worry. The emergency room sent him here in time to prevent any permanent damage. We were able to clean out his gums, prevent any infection, and the bleeding just about stopped. All you need to do now is just put a cold compress on it for the next few days, and you'll find that it heals very quickly. And we're going to give you
I don't know what to do.
If he was my son, I'd have him see a counselor, just in case you can determine why he did this and possibly prevent it from happening.
What's happening to my baby? Glad to be back in your own bed?
Mm-hmm.
If you get scared tonight, make sure you come over to Mommy's room, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'll make sure nothing ever hurts you. All right, sweetheart?
Mm-hmm.
I love you. I love you so much. Wonderful. You should be very proud of yourself, Jake. I always hoped to meet a little girl or boy deserving of this. And now, you're finally ready to receive your final reparation. Why, hello, darling. Sorry about Jakey. I'm afraid you just missed him. Don't worry, love. Time heals all wounds.
About time. Reparation, reparation, reparation. Do you think she ever gets tired of saying that? In this case, she shouldn't. Repair for her latest inaction is required. Yes, well done. 2 birds, 1 stone. The red guy will be pleased, you know. Unwrap it.
With pleasure. I present my reparation.
Ha ha ho! She looks just as she did in the crystal.
Even more scrumptious, in my opinion.
You have done well. Your health shall be restored, effective immediately.
If you don't mind me asking, boss, what do you, plan on doing about the reparation?
Let the feast begin!